Hello, my name is Yeline Como Gonzalez. Task 4. 1. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place for you? Yes, I went. I sightseeing in Cairo, Egypt. I visited the pyramids and the Nile River. And 2. What is the most uncommon food you have eaten during a trip? When I traveled on the Amazon, I had warm cayenne mojo, very delicious. 3. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? In Ocaña, there is Beach, Piedras Negras, and the Santuario del Agua la Virgen. 4. What place have missed during your trip? When I traveled to Israel, I missed Bethlehem. 5. What was the most incredible activity you have done during your trip? What did you dig in charm and chain because there were fantastic corals? Thank you.